Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily reset your HUAWEI Wi-Fi AX2 new Wi-Fi router. So first, what you guys need to do is take the router and now hold this little button here, which says WPS/reset. Hold it for 8 seconds. Now, keep holding it until the light here disappears. And now you can let go. And the router is now reset. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye.